Hello my lovely students. In this session we are going to practice more together by solving these two pages. Let's start with the first question. We consider the following matters to differentiate between solids, liquids and gases. We have a balloon, juice, milk, oxygen, eraser and water vapor. First, we are going to place the matters above in the table below. Which one is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, let's start. gas أكيد هيدي S not Z. Let's start with the balloon. The balloon is a solid. بس أكيد إذا بنعبي air جواته الأير بيكون هو الغاز. Juice is liquid. Milk also liquid. Oxygen is a gas. The eraser is a solid and water vapor is a gas. انتبهوا عم بقولوا لنا water vapor, not only water. لو water كنا قلنا it's a liquid, بس water vapor يعني بخار water هو بنقله gas. So we get this result. The balloon and the eraser are solids. Juice and milk are liquids. Oxygen and water vapor are gases. Okay? The second question, we are going to choose from the matters above that can be grasped between the fingers. Grasped يعني held between fingers, يعني شو هن الاشياء اللي بنقدر نحملهم. كلنا بنعرف انه solids can be held between fingers. So we are going to write balloon and eraser. And the matters that cannot be grasped between fingers, they are oxygen and water vapor. Okay? Juice and milk also لأنه هن liquids and cannot be held between fingers. Okay? Indicate the matters that can flow. Can flow يعني بيطوفوا بينتشروا. Okay? They are juice and milk لأنه نحن بنعرف إنه liquids flow. Then we are going to complete the following sentences. What can be grasped between the fingers? A solid, while a gas cannot be grasped between the fingers. بينما الغاز ما فينا cannot be held between the fingers. And finally, a liquid flows. Okay, يعني الليكويد هو اللي بينتشر وهو اللي بيطوف. Okay? In part 5, we are going to fill the inflated balloon shown above with air. Okay, أكيد معبينه air. Circle the correct answer. Air can or cannot be grasped between the fingers. Of course, air cannot be held between the fingers. بنحاول نمسك الair أكيد ما بنقدر. إذا بنطلع نحن حوالينا air is found everywhere. يعني هسه نحن حوالينا أكيد في air, في oxygen, في carbon dioxide. إذا بنحاول إنه نمسكه ما بنقدر لأنه أصلا ما بنشوفه. Okay? So we are going to say here that air cannot be grasped between the fingers, and we are going to indicate the state of air. يعني الاير اللي جوات البالون هو شو الستيت تبعه. Is it a solid, a liquid or a gas? Of course it's a gas. فإذا بس يسألونا عن الستيت بدنا نقول يا أما solid أو liquid أو gas. What is the shape of air contained in the balloon? شو هو شكل الاير اللي موجود جوات البالون؟ كلنا بنعرف إنه the air inside the balloon takes the shape of the balloon or has the shape of the balloon. Okay? If we change the shape of the balloon, does the shape of air change? Of course yes. يعني إذا غيرنا شكل البالون, شكل الاير اللي جوات البالون رح يتغير. إذا عملناه شكل أي شيء تاني رح يتغير شكل الاير اللي جواته على شكل البالون. بينما إذا حطينا pencil أو eraser inside this balloon, لو حتى غيرنا شكله للبالون, هذا السوليد ما رح يتغير شكله لأنه كلنا بنعرف إنه solids have a definite shape. بينما liquids and gases don't have a definite shape. They take the shape of the container. يعني إذا عبينا للبالون water أو air, اثنيناتهم رح ياخدوا شكل البالون. بينما إذا حطينا فيه solid ما حياخد شكل البالون لأنه هو أصلا عنده شكل محدد خاص فيه. Okay? Now let's complete by using the appropriate words. What is air doesn't have a shape. مين اللي مثل الاير ما عنده definite shape and takes the shape of its container؟ فإذا ال state of matter اللي عم نحكي عنها هون هي gas. A gas as air يعني مثل الاير like air doesn't have a definite shape. It takes the shape of its container. So we can get the following result. And now let's observe the documents below. Okay, here we have liquids in many containers, in 4 different containers. هول الcontainers عندهم different shapes, عندهم أشكال مختلفة. Okay, liquid in each one takes the shape of its container. يعني الليكويد بهيدا أخذ شكل الكونتينر and in this one أكيد أخذ شكل الكونتينر بكل واحدة منهم. Okay, and here we are going to study about the effect of pressure on air and liquids. pressure هو الضغط، يعني إذا بنضغط نحن عليه أو بنكبسه. أوكي، بدنا نشوف شو تأثيره على الليكويد وعلى الجازز. كمان عم نستعمل السيرنج مثل ما عملنا بالاكسبيرمنتس قبل. أوكي، here the syringe عبيناها liquid water يعني، وهيدي السيرنج ما عبيناها liquid، عبيناها air. أوكي، and here we have pressed on the plunger، يعني ضغطنا على البلانجر، ما قدرنا انه نضغط الووتر. liquids are hardly compressive، يعني كتير صعب، ما في ابدا اعمل لهم compression. اوكي، اكيد رح نحط فينجر هون او هون، مش الفينجر، هن مسكرينها اساسا. اوكي، يعني ما رح يطلع منها شيء. while gases are compressive، جربنا نضغط الجازز لقينا بسهولة فينا نضغطه. so gases are compressive. okay, finally let's summarize what we have learned from these documents in this table. We are going to talk about the characteristics of gases, liquids and solids, and this table is very important. You have to memorize the characteristics of each state in it. Gases are compressible while liquids and solids are incompressible. Okay, solids have a definite shape بينما liquids and gases have indefinite shape، ما عندهم شكل محدد. they take the shape of the container. gases and liquids flows يعني بطوفوا وبينتشروا اثنيناتهم. however solids or a solid doesn't flow. هاي الأس منشيلها. okay, finally which one take the shape of the container and which one has a definite shape؟ كلنا بنعرف انه solids هن عندهم definite shape، has a definite shape, and liquids and gases take the shape of the container. يعني مثل هاي الكاركترستيك هي ذاتها هاي، بس بطريقة تانية قايلينها انه they take the shape of the container. اذا عندهم indefinite shape ما عندهم شكل محدد يعني take the shape of the container. okay.